send ko lang ikaw. Bakit ikaw na nakaya mo, nailagay na ng cellphone. Hindi mo mo yan. Nakanta pa. Kinabit ako. Welcome to my vlog!
Wala. Hello. Just
Sabi mo daw ate, I don't wanna lose your heart. I don't wanna lose your heart. Your love siguro? Ewan ko dyan. Sa'yo mga kanta? Siya. Kanta. I don't wanna lose your love. Ito gayon.
How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh,
ito naman o. Manay bakit ako?
Ikaw bro kasi yan ang plan ko. Yung bakit? 9193 sa plapin.
Thank you, Sen.
Were you ever want to see?
Si Mel, di Papi Medley, wala yan na. Ito ya. Ito. Be. Hulog, be.
Now you see you want to leave. Start your life to this. These words I think you never said. How will you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much same? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh no. Tonight I hope what will be right. Tomorrow I pretend to find it all behind me. Waking find that I have found a new life in my soul, and find that I know how to let you go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Oh, tonight I know what will be right. Tomorrow I pretend to make it all behind me, and find that I know how to make you Thank you.
Dada sanaan! Kumakanta magrani dyan. 48, kasi lang. Tapos 1 to 518. 4806 1 to 518. 4806. 4806. One to 518. 12518. Hi guys. Maganda ka daming tao ngayon. Get engagement. Binibidyoan ko ang singer eh. Suksok mo nga na dyan. Ano ba makanta-kanta? Live ka din. Birthday kayo nyo, uncle ko man muna.
Ay, ba't ako nagpapakain? Teka, be, maghanap muna ako, be. There's nothing to say. pressure.